What's going on, stackers? So I just passed 100 sales over on Warrior Plus with affiliate marketing, and I just wanted to share that with everyone. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every other day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want to know exactly how I'm making passive income over on Amazon with low content book publishing, then check out that link in the description down below to go to Printing Profits. This course outlines everything that I did with low content book publishing to get to $1,000 per month within 3 months. You can also get there by going to printingprofits.com with no G. So, for those of you that don't know, Warrior Plus is just a marketplace. You can put your products, your courses, your softwares on here, and other people can help sell that for you. Hence, that's what affiliate marketing is. Well, recently I just passed 100 sales, which I can't believe. I'm extremely happy about this, and I'm about to show you. I'm going to show you my results like this, how I passed 100 sales. I've done $86 in the last 30 days, 21 within the last 7. But if we go here to more, we can break that down a little bit further, and then I'm going to explain exactly how I got these sales. So from here we want to go to year to date and break this down. So if we go here, we can actually see I've done 111 sales and I've made $1,478. Now you can see that I've only promoted a handful of products. I only promote products to my following which I've either taken myself or I use myself and that I really like. See, with Puzzle Book Mastery, that's how you can create puzzle books for KDP, because as you more than likely know, I do sell low and no content books over on Amazon, and a puzzle book is a low content book. So I really enjoyed this software, so I promoted it to my audience and I made over $1,000. So how did I exactly do this? Well, with me, everything stems from the YouTube channel. This is pretty much where I get all of my traffic, build my groups or my private Stackers Inner Circle group. This is how I build that. This is how I build my email list as well. So if we actually go on to one of these videos and then just let me pause it. So give that a second to load so I can just pause that. Is that paused? Hold on, hold on. Computer's being really slow again today. I really need to clean this up. So let's just skip that. And let's just pause that one. So if we go down to the description just here, this is the Inner Circle. So that is my private Facebook group. If we click on there, that's just going to redirect you to my group. So I actually promote softwares and everything in my group as well, because I am the admin of that. If you haven't joined already, come and join, because we talk a lot about low content book publishing. And then also with the YouTube channel, so if we click on show more and go to here, my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. This is how I build my email list. Now, I don't really promote this that much, but people still find it. They click here, they put in their email address, and then they go onto my email list just here, where I actually have just over 1,000 people on my email list now. It's taken a while to get there, but again, like I said, I don't really promote my email list that much. That's probably going to change in the new year because I really want to get more into affiliate marketing and building an email list, because building an email list is the lifeline of your business, whether you're selling courses, affiliate products and all that, because it's all well and good having a YouTube channel, but your YouTube channel can be taken down at any moment. It more than likely won't, but you don't own it, whereas an email list you own and you can have for years to come and recommend cool shit in the process to make some sales. But like I said, it all stems down to having my YouTube channel, because this is literally everything, or this is where I literally get all my traffic from. I make helpful videos that people like, and then they go through to my private group, and they also join the email list as well. And I actually almost forgot, I sell my courses directly from my YouTube channel. So if we just do that again, I shouldn't have deleted that tab. So let me just pause this, if it's going to let me again. So let me just pause that right there. Nope, I don't want that. Go away. Go away. So right here you can see our courses. So if we click on that, that actually goes through to my courses, and that's another way that I make money. But again, it all comes down to the YouTube channel. Now, do you need a YouTube channel to do this? No, you don't. You just need to be putting out helpful content on one social platform. So you could use Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, loads of different ways to create content and build that following, because that's what it actually comes down to. Building a following by providing helpful content and then building that relationship with your audience as well. So as my audience grows here on YouTube, it's also going to grow in my private group. It's also going to grow on my email list. And then the bigger reach that I can connect with, then the more money that I can make. But again, you don't want to be promoting products that you don't believe in or that you have no clue about. All these products here I've gone through myself and I really enjoy them, and that's why I promote them. Now, another way that you could do this is building a blog. Now, this is something that I am highly interested in, considering I already have StackinProfit.com. So all I would have to do is start turning my videos into blog posts as well, and then doing a little bit of SEO, see if I can get them ranked, because then that's going to drive more products to my groups, my offers, my courses, and in return is going to make me more money. Now, as the months go by and I do get better at affiliate marketing and I do start making more money, then I will obviously start making more videos about this, more detailed videos, to where you can go ahead and do this yourself. Because everything I've shown you just here with building the YouTube channel, building an email list, building a private group, none of this is really that hard at all. It's all about being consistent and providing value. Because there's always been one quote that stuck with me and I never really took any notice of it until this year, and it's paid off in a big way. And that is, you get paid in direct proportion to how much value you bring to the marketplace. If you're not providing much value, then you're not going to make much money. Now, in my case, I do provide a hell of a lot of value. So if we go over to the channel, if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe now. But as you can see, I've been making videos for quite some time now, and I provide a hell of a lot of value. And because I provide a lot of value, people want to follow me, so they subscribe, and then they go through and join my group. They get on my email list, and because again I provide that value, They actually buy products when I promote them, whether that's through affiliate marketing or even selling my own courses. So go ahead and just start providing value. And then you'll be amazed at how quickly your life can change. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.